Today I visited MSL compressor assembly line. I'm gonna meet one of them and ask something. Excuse me. What is the purpose of this compressor? Is this for the breathing or just the industrial?
Industrial compressor.
Industrial compressor. Then it is a delivery. Is this, the pressure is which the working pressures? What is the working pressure of this?
35 bar. 35 bar. Maximum 35 bar.
A maximum for 35 bar?
35 bar, yes.
Okay. This is for industrial compressor. And then how many units you supply this unit to your market per year?
Per year, 1,000 units.
1,000 units?
Yes.
Wow, great. So all these are supplied to the Korean market?
Now, industrial market in Korea.
Industrial market in Korea. Okay. Interesting.